How to relocate a small tree up to 3 meters high. Sometimes you might need to relocate a tree from place to place. It is not an easy task nor a cheap one, and it requires several people and a tractor with a lifting arm. A lot of times people just give up due to the hassle and just cut down the tree. That is what this video is for: preserving the tree, avoid harming it, and keep enjoying it for years to come. The first action is cutting down low-hanging branches in order to allow a comfortable work environment. I begin by wetting the ground around the tree and digging a ring surrounding the trunk. The ring width is matching the shovel. The internal radius is 60 centimeters and the depth is 60 centimeters. While I'm digging, I cut down any roots that gets in the way. Now I allow the tree a few days to get used to its new situation and grow roots inside the ring. In order to make moving the tree easier, I strive to separate the light roots from the heavy ground, and I do so by exposing the roots using a strong water current and filling the cracks with water. The water will soften the ground over time and allow separating the roots from the ground. You must protect the roots after every wetting with a wet cloth, and above it put a sealed white nylon in order to reduce the effects of the sun's radiation. After a few days of soaking the tree's root with water and splashing from above, the tree and all its root system is easily separated from the ground. I recommended relocating the tree in the evening to reduce the shock effect of the transfer and making sure you irrigate it plenty during the first week.